Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I want to talk about Namaste and how many shares I have, and after some reassessment, after some research, after becoming a medical patient, I can fully and finally understand the company a little bit more. And also thanks to some of my YouTube channel subscribers telling me some information that I wasn't aware of. It really helped out. So I ordered from Aurora. My order is supposed to come either tonight or tomorrow. I really don't know, but I forgot what I ordered. So, and they don't really give me a tracking number. So please note that the number listed above is only a confirmed number and should not be used as a tracking number. So they didn't give me a tracking number, so I don't really know when my product will arrive. So I guess it doesn't really matter. So now I'm gonna show you guys how many shares I have. As you can see, these are all my shares. These are from multiple different accounts. I cut and paste them. If you guys wanted to see the other version of my shares to see what's the difference, you guys can go back to my old video. It's called I believe $1 million, my almost $1 million portfolio with Namaste update. Maybe I'll put a video at the end of this if you guys make it to, so you guys can watch it afterwards. But just to kill off a little time, I'll put out a calculator and I'll do the calculation right in front of you guys. 50,700 plus 57 plus 47 plus 72, 700 plus 21 plus 48, 500. I have 29,600 and almost 300,000 shares. So that's how many shares I have. Okay, I guess the next subject I want to talk about was, so somebody on my channel was saying that for every patient that Namaste gets and they pass on to another LP, they get 15 to 20% of the gross order amount for each patient. So since they don't have to sell anything, they get money from every patient that they pass on. So if they get 50,000 patients, and if all those patients spend like a lot of money, that could add up to a nice decent revenue increase. And this should be like pure profits too, because it's not like they're paying, it's not like that the spending money to produce these products. They're just, once they give a customer away, once they gain a customer, that customer will always constantly give Namaste revenue and money as long as they keep buying products from the LP. So if you really like your company, you should be recommending to all your friends and family members that, hey, check out Namaste MD patients, like the app, and sign up. It was very easy for me. All I said was I didn't have any medical documents, so all I told them was, well, I do sometimes have a sleeping problem. Sometimes I find myself hard to sleep. So that's why I told them, like, sometimes it's hard for me to sleep. So I would like some cannabis so I can sleep better. And then I was approved. So it wasn't very hard at all. There was just a lot of document paperwork that I had to fill out. And then after becoming a medical patient, I finally understand this. This company a little more. Like, let's say if you bought TC oil drops, that's $95. This is the, by the way, this is my this is the Aurora like login thingy for the shop. So $95. This will probably last you a month or something. I don't know, maybe 2 weeks, couple weeks. But anyways, you can order this oil, and for every oil you order, Namaste gets $15 to $20. So every time Namaste pass the patients on to Aurora, and every time I order from Aurora, Namaste gets 15 to 20 bucks out of it. So like it's a good business model in my opinion. That's. Oh, I guess I can show you guys what I ordered. I ordered the sour diesel. It was the highest. Oh wait, Snow Dome. Hey, I didn't see this. Shit, I would have ordered this if I had that. I ordered this one, Odin 2. I think this just came online not too long ago because I didn't see this earlier. But I also noticed something that the vaporizers on here, when you order them, like you basically, it would say, hey, I agree to share my name and contact information, shipping address with Namaste Vapes Canada for the purpose to fulfill and provide further assistance in regards to your order. So basically, every time you order a vaporizer, you would like people would be seeing this. So Namaste is spreading the name through Aurora's platform, and then when I have more information later on to share with you guys, so I'll be going back to this. Anyways, I saw something funny that I thought maybe I'll show you guys today.
And Acumen, their stock charts look amazing.
Okay, let's move on. Namaste Technologies, a player in the cannabis space.
Yeah, so Namaste is kind of the Amazon of the cannabis world. So they've got over 20 e-commerce sites across 20 countries. They make like vape pens and all the ancillary products. And the stock had like this huge run up because everybody was excited and everyone sees the future, and it pulled back. So this is a good point to get in. The company's cashed up. They have 30 million in cash, and they're going to be doing some other acquisitions. And I think they've got a really good platform for the patient world right now.
Yeah. So we not only call them the Amazon, but also the Uber of cannabis. So they've got two unique platforms. So the one is at Namaste and...
Oh no, it froze!
World right
now. Yeah. So we not...
Oh well. Whatever. Anyways, these guys are basically Namaste shareholders. They talked about the company positively, and they also own shares in Namaste. And then suddenly, as soon as they said it, the stock started moving up. It's just the power of BNB. It's insane. It's like they talk about a stock. Oh, it's a good time to buy. It's a good point to buy in right now. And then the stock goes up, I don't know, like 11, 12 cents in one day. Will it decline back? Maybe. But I understand the company now, so if it declines back, I might buy back in. If it goes back down to 142, 141, I might buy more shares. But we will see, I guess. Okay, so I want to point out that Pineapple Express Delivery is a very good investment, in my opinion, because people like being fast. Like, well, as soon as they order something, they expect, like, the faster you can give people service, the better. So if because these guys or like a food delivery truck service, they can basically get your product to you within an hour. So imagine ordering something and then within 1 hour getting your product right away. That would be amazing if Pineapple Express can do that all over Canada, like at least in the major population of the cities like Toronto and maybe like Edmonton and Calgary and stuff like that. Like just have like a good service, a delivery team. That that would definitely help Namaste grow the customer loyalty by getting fast delivery to their customers and having a great customer experience. That's why I think Pineapple Express is actually a pretty important investment for Namaste. And then this one I think is also very important. Remember how I said I would go back to that thing? Basically, with this agreement, now all the LPs have a choice to sell Namaste product. And then when they do sell Namaste product, every time a customer buys Namaste product, they have to go back to here, and then they have to agree to share their name, contact information before they can buy the product. So this would definitely help bringing their name brand out. On top of that, they gain a huge new channel to sell their products on. So going back to what I was saying earlier about that, like basically the ample organic deal is very important to Namaste. So this is the investor relations, right? Like, it is a pain in the ass where you have to go see a doctor, and then you have to, then after you see the doctor, you have to figure out which licensed producer to sign up with. With Namaste MD, it's easy. All you do is fill your information, book a time, and then you just stay home. Make sure that you are at your phone at that time, and then they'll give you a call, and then they'll help you fill, like, they'll fill out your document, like they'll ask you a bunch of questions, interview you, and then fill out all your documents. All you have to do is agree a bunch. They'll send you some emails. All you have to do is sign up, agree to those emails, and then a week later, a few days later, if they approve you, then you become a medical patient. Like, I mean, not everyone's gonna be approved, but like, it was pretty easy for me. I just had a sleeping problem, and they approved me. So so yeah, definitely give it a try if you guys haven't yet. Help invest in your company, buy your company product. Like, I'm a big investor in Namaste. I'm a big investor in Aurora. So every time I buy a product from Aurora, I'm also giving Namaste some money. Alright? So it's win-win scenario for me because I'm an investor in both. So if I was an investor in a company, I would want to buy my company's product, right? That's how I see things. Like, if you were, let's say if you were invested, like, let's say like Safeway and Superstore, they had Loblaws. If I was a big investor in Loblaws, right, I would go to Superstore all the time instead of Safeway, right? Or if I was a big investor in Safeway, I would go to Safeway all the time instead of Loblaws, because I'd rather support my company that I'm invested into. Like, for example, if you were an Apple customer, you would buy iPhones, and like, if you were an investor of Apple, you would probably buy their products. Like, not all people do it. Some people are just there for the money, but because you buy it, sometimes you, like, there has to be a reason for you to buy Apple stock, right? You must have had the product and you really love the product, and then you see the stock trading, so you're like, oh, this is such a good company, I like the product, so I'm gonna invest into the company. That's how investments work, in my opinion. So I don't really like. It's pretty cool. They have like a iWatch app, so like they're like the only company that have an iWatch app. But I mean, at the end of the day, not a lot of people really have iWatches anyways, so it's, I don't know, it's not that big of a deal. But whatever. They're like a tech company, right? They develop technology regardless. They develop programs, software to help them grow their company. That's what they do. I'm a big believer in technology. I'm a big believer in artificial intelligence. How I see our future developing is technology advancing, not going backwards. and what Namaste is a technology company. They're a technology company that's trying to get into the cannabis industry, and they also sell accessories and vaporizers. That's how I see Namaste as a company. I guess that's I don't think there's too much in here anymore that was too important. Oh, I guess they do have like a lot of countries, like they are very, very worldwide company. So like if you look at all this, right, like it's probably they have the most exposure worldwide than like probably all of the LPs right now in the world, right? So, and they're probably gonna continue to keep expanding because vaporizers are not illegal worldwide, so they can expand to different countries because they sell vaporizers too. It sucks that they had to move out of the United States. I think that that was a big mistake, that they're not selling in the United States. But because they wanted to go on the venture, they had to sacrifice the United States presence, which kind of sucks. I think that's it. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, wow, I can't believe this is 60 minutes. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Give me a thumbs down if you dislike videos. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.